Okay, so I've never tried this before, but seeing as I don't have chinkkni, cayenne pepper works on me. So I have a little bit of cayenne pepper and basically just using it like on food or sprinkling it on whatever will usually set me off. So I'm just gonna try and shake it up a little and open it and see what happens. Okay. Whew. Okay, I can feel it. Already. Oh. Oh. Every time, without fail. Oh. Oh. One away. Oh. This. Oh. Oh. I wonder what chinkkni would be like. I've always wanted to try it. I should actually get some. Now that I'm talking about it. Still tickles. Thank you. Oh. Oh. I can feel it still. Oh, yeah. More. Oh, gosh. I've tried to snort it before, but it actually burns too much, and I just start crying, so it doesn't really work. Maybe there's one more. Thank you. Oh. Oh, bless me. That's it.